For most businesses, water softening salt delivery is just an afterthought, something that falls to the bottom of that priority list until it becomes a critical issue. Running out of soft water can lead to costly problems and even damage to your facility's equipment. SaltCo is changing the game when it comes to this essential service. As the only fully automatic salt delivery company in the United States, SaltCo is revolutionizing the way businesses manage their water softening needs. We have developed a cutting-edge, fully external salt delivery system that allows for seamless and efficient replenishment of your water softener salt directly to your brine tank, all from outside of your building. This innovative approach eliminates the need for any points of entry, ensuring maximum convenience and security for your operations. With our jet-powered salt delivery service, you can forget about manually monitoring and ordering your softener salt. Our advanced sensors continuously track your usage, and we automatically dispatch our jet truck to your location when it's time for a refill. This proactive and seamless service guarantees that you always have the salt you require, precisely when you need it, allowing you to focus on your core operations without any interruptions. Let me show you how we do this. We professionally install piping from outside of your building directly to your brine tank. Our closed loop system consists of 2 pipes. The first pipe delivers salt from our truck directly into your brine tank, and the other pipe completes that closed loop system by bringing the air and any salt dust back to our trucks, where those salt particles are filtered out, leaving your mechanical rooms spotlessly clean with absolutely no salt dust. The SaltCo sensor monitors your salt levels 24/7 and broadcasts that data back to our secure cloud-based servers in real time without using your internal communication network. Our sensor is designed to be your trusted ally in maintaining optimal salt balance. It continuously monitors your salt, alerting us to any low levels or unusual fluctuations in your usage. This allows our team to proactively address any concerns while ensuring you always have the salt you need exactly when you need it. Not only do we deliver the highest quality solar salt in the most efficient way possible, we also adhere to strict legal for trade regulations by having our jet trucks calibrated and certified by the state every year. So when your tank needs 500 pounds of salt, you are getting exactly 500 pounds. When our sensors indicate your salt is at the appropriate refill level, we automatically dispatch our jet truck to arrive on site, connect to the outside of your building, and jet deliver the exact amount of salt you need in your tank. Again, requiring 0 points of entry. You've just seen an in-depth look at the most advanced and efficient salt delivery service in the United States. The best part? We install the entire system for free. That's right. Our team of professionals will handle the complete setup of the pipes, ports, sensors, and communication devices that make up the standard SaltCo system without you having to pay a dime. It's only $49 a month for a monitoring service, and you simply pay for the salt that you use. Thousands of companies have already made that conscious decision to switch to SaltCo for their salt delivery needs. Not only are they experiencing the peace of mind knowing that they'll never run out of salt, but they're also playing a crucial role in the betterment of our environment. Our delivery service has already saved over 4 million non-recyclable plastic bags from ending up in our landfills. When you're ready to experience the convenience, efficiency, and environmental benefits of the SaltCo system, we encourage you to give us a call at 855-472-5826, or just go ahead and visit us online at saltco.com. Our team is standing by to walk you through the simple installation process and get your business set up with our revolutionary salt delivery service. Don't let water softening salt be an afterthought any longer. Partner with SaltCo and focus on your core operations without any interruption. You'll never have to worry about salt again. Call or click today to make that switch and start enjoying the SaltCo difference.